The Power of Positive Thinking. Chapter 4. Try Prayer Power. Imagine this. A businessman loses everything. His company struggles. Bills pile up. Opportunities disappear. Night after night, he searches for answers. He plans. He worries. He works harder. But nothing changes. Then someone shares a simple idea with him. An idea so ordinary that he almost ignores it. Yet years later, he would credit it with helping him survive the hardest season of his life. What was it? And why do so many people discover it only after exhausting every other option? Vincent Peale reveals the answer in this chapter. Chapter Review. Most people believe that if they think about a problem long enough, they'll eventually solve it. So they worry, overanalyze, and carry tomorrow's burdens today. But the more they try to control everything, the more overwhelmed they become. Peale argues that one of the greatest causes of stress is the belief that we must face them alone. Think about it. How many sleepless nights have been spent worrying about things that never happened? How many fears have been created by imagining the worst? How much energy is lost fighting battles that exist only in the mind? This is where prayer becomes powerful, because it changes the way you face them. And here's the surprising twist. Most people pray hoping their circumstances will change. But often, the first thing that changes is them. Their thinking becomes clearer. Their fear becomes smaller. Their perspective becomes stronger. The challenge may still exist, but they are no longer defeated by it. Prayer shifts your focus away from panic toward peace. It reminds you that your current situation is not the final chapter of your story. Many people turn to prayer only when life falls apart, when they run out of answers, when they reach their breaking point. But Peale encourages a different approach. Don't wait for a crisis. Make prayer part of daily living. Just as the body needs food, the mind needs spiritual renewal. Prayer helps you face them with a calmer mind and a stronger spirit. The businessman from the beginning eventually realized something important. His greatest burden wasn't his failing business. It wasn't his financial problems. It was the belief that everything depended on him. The moment he stopped carrying the entire weight alone, he found a peace he had been searching for all along. And from that peace came better decisions. That's the hidden secret of this chapter. Prayer doesn't always change your circumstances immediately, but it can change your attitude immediately. And sometimes that's where transformation begins. Life nuggets. 1. Worry weakens the mind. Prayer strengthens it. 2. Peace comes when you stop carrying every burden alone. Powerful takeaway. You don't need to have every answer. You simply need the courage to take the next step. Because when faith replaces fear, the impossible begins to look possible. And that's where true confidence begins. Thanks for watching.